sobrang masarap.
Come to Papa!
How's the taste? Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton. Kamusta sa lahat? And today we are going to be making okoy, or it's also called Filipino shrimp fritters. Okoy is a very common dish in the Philippines. You can see it being sold on the street, being made at homes, even eaten just as a regular snack. Crunchy and tasty. Before we begin, if you could please hit that like button as well as to subscribe, it would really help me out. Anyway, let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is make our spicy vinegar sauce. Take a chili, onion, and this is optional, sugar, and of course, Filipino vinegar. Let's put this to the side while we make our other ingredients. So this is the main ingredient of our dish, kalabasa, or in English, squash. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the top, cut it in half, cut in half again. Look at that beautiful color. Now we're gonna remove the skin. So don't stop here, keep on cutting until it's the same color as this. This is where the flavor is. Alright, so we got them peeled right over here, and we got two for a reason. That's because in the Philippines you prepare okoy usually two types of ways. The first is to cut this up into matchsticks with a knife, and the other is to grate it. So we're gonna do both, and we're gonna see at the end which one tastes better. The first method we're gonna do is the matchstick style via knife. So how do you make matchsticks with this? This is what you do. Put it flat, and you're gonna cut really thinly right here. All the way down. Boom. Once you get a few slices like this, you're gonna cut it again this way. Okay, look at that. Look at those matchsticks. Nice. The next method we're gonna use is grating. There you go. That's how it looks. Wow, big difference, right? The next ingredient we're gonna add is our onions. For the matchstick, we're also gonna cut it the same way. And for our grated, we're gonna grate the onion. We got those nice long strips. Now we're gonna grate the onion. Now we're gonna add some salt to our mixtures. Make sure that salt cuts each and every one of our pieces. We're gonna let this rest a little while to let the salt pull the moisture out of it. And then we're gonna drain the water. That way it's gonna be extra crispy. So now we will remove the water. Look how much water we drained from this. This is gonna intensify the flavor from here. But as a result of salting, it's really, really wilty. Before it was really hard, right? But now it's a lot more bendy. Check that out. Now we're gonna start making the batter. So we're gonna add our egg. Now we're gonna add garlic powder. Some people put chopped garlic, but usually that burns when you fry it. So we're gonna put powder. Pepper. Cornstarch, and flour. So this is the texture it's supposed to look like. Nice, thick, really sticky. And then this is the grated. Looks a lot different, huh? So in America, squash is usually baked, but in the Philippines, we're frying it, and that's what we're gonna do today. All right, first we're gonna fry the matchstick style. Also gonna add some of our shrimp. Boom. We're gonna take our grated one now. Shrimp. Wow, look at that. Okay, we got a bunch left to go. I'll see you back when we're done cooking. And there you have it, Filipino ukoy. Over here, we got the grated version. Over here, we got the matchstick version. I think they look really good, but it doesn't matter how's it look, right? What matters is, how's the taste? All right, let's try the matchstick version first. Look at that, nice, big.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna put some of this vinegar. Spicy.
Yes.
It's really good. And since we cut it, we got the ends that are really crispy. Let's try the same thing, but with the grated version.
Oh yeah.
That's interesting. I'm trying to see which one's better.
Tastes the same, but
I feel the grated version has more of the squash flavor, but this one has more texture to it. Like it's more crunchier. Really good, especially with the spicy vinegar.
Yes.
Nice, fluffy on the inside. It's really good. Really hard to decide, but I think I'm gonna give it this one, the matchstick style, the one that you just cut by hand.
I'm better. I am better.
Just because it's a lot lighter. I feel it's kind of like a French fries or like a hash brown. This, it's more flavor dense. It's really good. I can choose either one. They would both be good. But today, this one wins. Sobrang masarap.